Welcome. In this class, we are going to learn about the structure or organization of commodities market in India. Starting from the higher authority, we have the regulatory body. Under the regulatory body, we have the commodities exchanges. Here, the commodity exchanges are further classified into two broad categories. That is, firstly, national exchanges and secondly, regional exchanges. The difference between the national exchanges and regional exchanges are they work in a broader scope. The national exchanges conducts its activities in a broader scope, whereas the regional exchanges is restricted to a particular geographical area. Under the national exchanges, we have National Commodities and Derivatives Exchange, National Multi-Commodities Exchange and Multi-Commodities Exchange. In this, the major portion or leadership position has been gained by NCDEX and MCX. Under the regional exchanges, we have National Board of Trade and the 20 other regional exchanges which carry on the commodities exchange activities. Next, moving on to the benefits, roles or functions of commodities market. The core objective of any futures exchange is the price discovery and efficient price risk management. The beneficiaries include those traders in the commodities market being offered for exchange. Now let us look at them one by one. Firstly, price discovery. To discover any price about the futures market, we need to have a certain tools. Here in the commodities market, we are accessible to predict the market information by having the demand and supply equilibrium, weather forecasts, experts view and comments. Inflation rates, government policies, market dynamics, hopes and fears, buyers and sellers conduct trading at future exchanges. By having a look into all of this, we come to a decision and we are capable of making the price discovery. This leads to the trade execution between the buyers and sellers and leads to assessment of the fair value of a particular commodity. Moving on to the second point, that is price risk management. Nowadays, traders casually use hedging as a tool to get out of the price risk. It is a strategy of offering price risk that is inherent in the spot market by taking an equal but opposite position in the futures market. Futures market are used as mode by hedges to protect their business from adverse price risk. Looking into the third point, import export competitiveness. The commodities market assists the international traders. Here, exporters can hedge their price risk and improve their competitiveness by making use of the future market. Most of the traders involved in the physical trade internationally intend to buy forwards. The purchase made from the physical market might expose them to risk of price resulting to losses. Next, we have predictable pricing. There are certain commodities for which the prices keeps on changing in a very shorter duration, which is very bad for a manufacturers to sell their commodities. So, for a manufacturer or for a seller, the prices should be stable so the buyers can buy their commodities at an agreed price. These services are being provided by futures contract through their activities. Next one, benefits for farmers and agriculturalists. Price instability has a direct bearing on farmers in the absence of futures market. So the farmers would have been suffered a lot due to the price instability in the absence of commodities market. So commodities market helps the farmers predict the prices for their commodity and at what price the traders or merchants would buy from them. Next, moving on to the credit accessibility. The absence of proper risk management tool would have attracted the marketing and processing of commodities to high risk exposure, making it risky business activity to fund. Even a small movement in any prices would eat up a huge portion of capital owned by the traders. So the banks would have been not funded this process. Due to the commodities market, all these are possible. Moving on to the next point, that is improved product quality. Nowadays the warehouses are providing the delivery facility as well as the grading facility. This becomes a strong reason to upgrade their commodities to a better quality, and better quality commodities are accepted by the commodities exchange, which in return have the potential to sell for a more price, which is a very good benefit for the traders as well as the sellers in the commodities exchanges. Moving on to the next point, that is diversification of portfolio risk. Statistically saying, commodities have an inverse correlation of daily returns as compared to equities. That means the commodities have a greater probability of providing positive returns as compared to equities. So the commodities are asset class for diversification of portfolio risk. Thus, an investor can effectively minimize the portfolio risk arising due to price fluctuation in other asset classes by including the commodities in his portfolio. Moving on to the next point, that is extremely transparent. The prices of commodities in the commodity exchanges are extremely transparent. That means anyone cannot manipulate the price of commodities due to the globalization of economies, thereby providing a benchmark across different countries or continents or nations. For example, gold, silver, crude oil are international commodities whose prices in India are indicative of the global situation. Next point, we have an opportunity for investors. With the rapid spread of derivatives trading in commodities, the commodities route to have become an option for high net worth and savvy investors to consider in the overall asset location, so as to they can gain more returns even from the commodities market. So the commodities market serves as an golden opportunities for the investors to grab more returns. Next point, the commodities market are useful to the producers. Due to the existence of the commodities markets, the producers will get an idea of price likely to prevail on the future date, so that the producer can make his own decision which commodities are in competing position and which commodities will get the maximum price, so he can select the best commodity that suits him for the production and returns. Moving on to the last point, that is useful for consumers. Commodity trade is useful for the consumer, as commodities market makes him understand the price at which the commodities will be available in the future point of time, so that he can plan according to his economic situation and financial planning and cover his purchase by making forward contracts. Knowing the prices in advance is an added advantage.